now I am in IIT Tirupati, and look at the beautiful place. This is the whole map where you can understand the campus. Right now we are here. Hello friends, welcome to another video and welcome to my channel Lalit Solanki, the nature lover. Right now I am in IIT Tirupati, and look at the beautiful place. So this is the guest house where I am staying right now, and this is just on the footstep of these hills. And look at the beautiful environment over here. And this is the beautiful facility for the guests, and behind this visitor hostel the director's residence is there. I will show you the whole map of this place, where you can see the academic block, faculty quarters, and the laboratories and the hostel for the boys and the girls. This is a 548-acre campus, and there are two ponds which are interconnected, which you can see in the drone video. I will take drone shots over here, and this is really a beautiful place. Now we will go inside, and then I will show you the whole map, and after that I will shoot the drone video, which you can have a look and feel the campus of this beautiful IIT in Tirupati. There is a small pond over here, and I have seen lotus have started to bloom. This is the porch area. This is the entrance. And this is the whole map where you can understand the campus of this place. Right now we are here. This is the visitor place where the guest can stay. This is the director's residence, and this is the main entrance. Through this main entrance, these are the two ponds which are interconnected to each other. And as I already told, this is a 548-acre campus, and on the other side of the road, this is the 99-acre campus. The construction has not been started yet. This is the play field. This is the girls hostel, and they have their laboratories over here, civil and mechanical laboratories. These are the guest faculty, main faculty residence. This is the playground, and this is the administration block. This is the lecture hall. These are some instrumentation facility. This is the central instrumentation facility. This is the academic block 1, and this one is department block 2. These brown things will come in the next stage, means their construction will start in the second stage. This white one construction is complete, and these are the boys hostel. This is the sewage treatment plant. This is the water treatment plant. From this water treatment plant, the water goes all up to that place, and then it is supplied to all the places by gravity. And now I will put the drone video where you can have a feel of the campus, as I have already shown you in the map.